I'm helping make paper doll dresses, and we're doing this for a school project. So we're actually cutting out of fabric that is old school uniforms. So you can see I have in Cricut Design Space the jumper, and I am going to load this into the Cricut. Then we're going to hit continue in Design Space. And then the fabric that I used for this was flannel, just because while this isn't the soft like a flannel, it's the same weight. So I was just kind of guessing on what's going to work. So I'm going to use flannel again. And now let's see it cut. And we're using the rotary blade on this with the Cricut Maker. And the rotary blade's going to give you a nicer, smoother cut because it's got a little wheel on it that clearly rotates around as it's going over the fabric. So you don't get that like choppy work like you would with scissors. Okay, this is the exciting part, taking it off the mat. Boom! I cut perfect.